Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Stinky shoes are the worst, and oftentimes we can't smell our own feet because we're so used to it. But why would you put a tea bag inside of your shoes? I love this, by the way. What do we have right here? We're using some Throat Coat Lemon in Echinacea. This is what you want to do before you use the tea bag. I'm gonna do a little extra here. I'm gonna lay this down on the floor. I'm gonna take the shoes. Why do shoes stink? Moisture and bacteria collects inside them. So in here I have some rubbing alcohol, and I would do this as often as you need to, especially if you have gym shoes. And you're gonna coat your shoes with that rubbing alcohol. Heck, I'm even gonna do the bottoms of these. Do any of you wear your shoes in the house and then clean them before you come into the house? Or how many of you have house shoes? I often do both. You're gonna let them sit. And this is best to do before you go to bed at night because it's cleaning while you sleep, which is the best thing around. And then the next thing that you want to do is take your favorite type of tea. I love lemon. Why this is so fun is because it's all natural, and two, there's so many different flavors of tea. You could have berry smelling shoes. You could have lemon smelling shoes. You could have lavender, whatever your heart desires. You're gonna go ahead, stick the tea bags inside of your shoes, let it dry, and the next day your shoes will be smelling better than ever. Not only did you kill the bacteria that's causing the odors, but then you spiced it up with something nice and spicy, such as some lemon echinacea. If you've ever done this before, let me know in that comments box below. Oh, and depending upon what type of tea you buy, many of them have little quotes on the back of them. So not only are you waking up the next day to nice, clean smelling shoes, but then you have a motivational quote for you to start your day. This one here, one thorn of experience is worth a whole wilderness of warning. Thank you, James. If you do not have tea bags on hand, another little trick is taking some coffee filters and putting essential oil on the coffee filters or any sort of herb that you have laying around that you love the smell of. Don't mind me, folks, just tea bang all of our shoes. Imagine if you had a party and you came back and you had tea bags hanging out inside of your shoes. Your friends will think that you have lost your mind, but they will thank you. Click the video on screen now for more amazing cleaning and life hacks. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.